Hi, I'm Mama G, and today is Friday preparation day. I will be cooking doing some roast breadfruit, ackee and broad bean, and steam some kaloo. Here is my kaloo. This is from the farm. I soaked it in some salt water, washed it properly, and stripped it, and now I'm cutting it up and preparing it to steam. Cooking is my hobby, and it is a ministry. Are you a housewife? You can use cooking as your ministry. Take it as your ministry. It can be a blessing to you and your family's health. I know a lot of people get their kaloo packaged from the store or even at the market, but I like my kaloo homegrown and prepare it myself because I know how it is prepared. So now I use my coconut milk, coconut powder, the powdered one, with some onion and bell pepper, a piece of thyme and scallion and a little salt, and I'm steaming my kaloo. The ackee. Ackee is Jamaica's #1 dish, ackee and saltfish. As a family, we are moving away from meat, so I'll be using broad bean instead. It is very delicious. I tried it already and we enjoyed it, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to prepare my ackee with broad bean to eat with my roast breadfruit. Now I'm sauteing my onion, scallion, garlic, and bell pepper to flavor the ackee and broad bean. Ackee is Jamaica's #1 dish, ackee and saltfish. But we are eating ackee with broad bean because it tastes very good. Somebody told me about it and I tried it already and it was good, so I'm doing it again. Ackee can be poisonous once you know how to prepare it and when to prepare it. So in some countries, people don't eat ackee, but you have to allow ackee to open properly. And because this is taken from off the property, we know when it is ready to be picked and to prepare to eat. Here am I adding my ackee that I've already boiled, and the pot is hot, so the seasoning is sauteed. And now I'm going to put a little herb. I put a pepper in. I'm going to put a little herb in there, a little herbal seasoning. And it is giving me a hard time to come out. Just like anything else that you're doing and it's difficult, but I will not stop until it come out, right? I won't give up. I've not stopped trying. All right, it's coming out now. Good. And one of the reasons why I am cooking outside today too is because the gas is finished and it is a rainy day. The rain is due, so I don't know what time the gas man will come. And because it's preparation day, I want to be finished. I want to finish cooking before Sabbath start and just be relaxed and get ready for Sabbath. Look at this big, beautiful breadfruit. We have reaped it from off the property. It came from a tree that was planted 3 years ago. We are reaping what we sow. I am now finished cooking, and here comes the gas man. So it's good to have a backup. This is the meal. I hope you will enjoy it with us. Let your food be your medicine, and let your medicine be your food.